Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace from Diamond Paint with Grace. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe. Three fingers, Grace, to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below here somewhere. You will find it, next to which is a notification bell which will go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. I have a package here. Now, I have a suspicion. I think I know what it is. I think I know who it's from. I haven't opened it. It's still completely sealed. And I was thinking to take a sneak peek, but I thought, you know what? I'm just going to look and go with the flow and see if I can determine when I open it. With all that being said, I want to crack open into this package, okay? Before we do that, let us throw some love out to the Patreons of the channel and those that have bought me a love heart or a coffee on the Buy Me a Coffee program. All those details are down there below in the description. Let's throw some love out to the Patreons of the channel. Thank you so much for your support. And I'm going to see you on the flip side. Come with me, guys. Okay, let's get into this package. Let me get my, let's not destroy the place. Let me get my Sandra knife and, I'm gonna just crack open in the bottom here and see what I can discover. It either is what I think it is or it's not what I think it is, and we're gonna find out together. It's something in a big box, diamond painting, and okay, I'm not sure. Ooh, it's kind of bulky here, so I'm wondering. Okay, all right. So this, I believe, is from DIY Choose. Okay, they reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in find your words, Gracie, in reviewing a few products, and I thought I would choose this one. Now, it's in a big fat box and it's hard, and I apologize for the glare. Hopefully that won't be there for too much longer, but let's have a look at what you see on this side of it. You get step-by-step instructions, okay, on how to do diamond painting. So if you're new to diamond painting, you've got all the instructions there. Now, okay, all right, okay, let's have a look. Some of you may have seen this before, but, oh, okay. Can you see? Oh, you can see a lot of that glare. Go away, ring light. You naughty thing, you rude thing. It is already on a canvas, guys. Check it out. You even get the hanging tools or the hanging hardware. You've got a thingy-me-jiggy for batteries. Let's, it's already open here, so I might as well take it out and see what, oh, okay, interesting. It's a different boat. So we get a square tray here, pink pen, big chunk of wax and some tweezers. We also get here the legends, and I will scooch it down, and it looks like there's two of them. I hope they're identical. Yes, they are. In addition to the diamonds, I've actually had one other painting ever on a board. Never one that's LED lit. So I guess the idea, and there's a few different pictures that you can choose, and I kind of thought, oh, this looks to me that it's supposed to be Times Square? Times Square? Is that right? Times Square? Or is it, I don't know, where they go skating in New York? Is that, no, it's not Times Square. I don't know. Is it Rockefeller Plaza? I don't know. But this is supposed to be, in my mind, a skating rink. Okay, you've got your Christmas tree there. It's very
pixelated from where I am. However, I think it's to give you a sense of where this place is supposed to be, as opposed to these peeing. No, they're not peeing. These being real people. They're indicative of people. But you do get the idea that this is a Christmas tree. You get the idea that these are buildings and, of course, the tree line and some sort of fence here as well. This looks like it's buildings with lights through it. So it'll be interesting to see. I wonder if I can get some batteries and light it up now. Wouldn't that be interesting? Do you think we should? I think we should too. I agree. Let me go get some batteries. Okay, I just opened it up to make sure that I had the batteries that we need, and they are AA batteries. So let's shove these in. And there, and oh. So this is already pre-framed. I'm trying to see if there's any difference. Okay, let's oh, I see something. All right, you ready? Okay, hang on. Let me turn it off. Okay, if I do that and then turn this light off, I've only got the batteries don't fall out, and that's what's going to light up. Look at that. So the Christmas tree will end up lighting up, and all the windows of those buildings. Now, you're not getting a true sense of it, obviously, because there's no diamonds laid down, but you can see that there's LED lights in here and also in the Christmas tree. So that is super cute. Super cute. I like it. Let me turn this light on. And you still get a sense of it like that. So, advantages and disadvantages. Let me just put all this. I want to take the batteries out because I don't know when I'm going to get to work on this, and I don't want these to go all funny on me. Oh, like a savage, I just ripped them out. Where's the cover gone? Here. So the cover goes. So that's something really different if you've not seen one before. So you can see it is on a hard board, okay? Advantage being, this ring light, oy vey. Advantage that it is already framed for you. It's already framed. Nothing to worry about in that respect. And it's not diamond painted. I'm not going to take the plastic off, but it's not diamond painted on the sides. The sides are not diamond painted. There is that? I'm just trying to see. No. So that's all just held together. Okay. So it is already diamond painted. Advantage, tick. This is hard. So you can quite, with your pen, if you're a heavy pusher, don't worry. You know, unless you stab it, you're not going to go through your canvas, okay? That's two advantages. A disadvantage is that it is slightly pixelated. However, I think perhaps once it's diamond painted, from afar, it will give you the idea of what it's supposed to be. You're not going to get detail, okay? You will not get detail. Let's bring you down to the drill field and let's have a look, because given that you won't be able to, and that's a disadvantage in this, you will not be able to use a, what am I trying to say? A light pad with this. You want these symbols to be clear. Oh, look where the lights are. Like oh, it's so cute. I like that. And it is super clear. Now, whilst we're in this position, and it's, I'm going to say it is pretty, look, you've got confetti in this area here, but then if you move up here, you've got line blocking in the buildings. So this might be one that you might want to put some release paper on. Let's have a look at the symbols while we're here. Well, that's nice. They're numbered accordingly. So 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. That's good. I'm glad about that. And then we head off into some letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There's no I. There's a J, K, L, M, N, P, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and slash. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're working with 31. 31. There's 2 of them. That's really handy. You can't see that there's, well, you saw at the start that there's 2. Whilst I crack open into the diamonds for you, because I do want to have a look and see, whilst I crack open into these, I'm going to flash across the screen what the artwork looks like online. And there are different ones that you can actually get, okay? If I ever have the opportunity to get another one, I would love to get, I think there's one that looks like it would be maybe a San Francisco type scenario. So now these come in, where is it? It's got only the code of the painting on there, not the, there's no DMC codes. And nor is there DMC codes on your paper. There's just symbols and numbers, okay? So let's quickly run through and see what colours you're going to be playing with here. You've got your blues and lighter blues. Given that it is a mixture of colour block and confetti, oh, and mind you, if you haven't already picked up, it is a round. It may work out relatively quickly, and given that it's a Christmas theme, if you wanted to pick up one of these, I'd be working on one of these now. If it's for your own house, or if you're giving it as a gift. How pretty is this? How pretty. Oh, and then we get into all the yellows and oranges. Oh, we got a party crusher. Really bright one there. And red and burgundy. And I'm guessing that that's black. What number is that? That's 1. Oh, here I am trying to think, you know, check the DMC, and I just finished telling you there's no DMCs on there. Oy vey. So then we keep going with the second string. So we've got white and caramel, beautiful blue, another yellow, lots of bright colours. And then we get into the various shades of purple. Couple of greens in there. I'm surprised there's not more green. And then some more purple. So there's more mauve and lavender and purples than what there are green, which is really interesting as far as, and there's heaps more blue. So I think that's real. I mean, I guess that makes sense, doesn't it? Because the blue is making up the ice and the water and everything, and then you've got the beautiful yellow. I really like this, guys, and I guess, as I said, it's going to be a case of trust the process. I can see it's pixelated, okay? It is super pixelated. I don't know if I'm right. If this is in New York, see, Maritza and Angie are doing an event in January. And it's all about New York. And if someone can tell me if this is indeed supposed to be in New York, even though it's Christmas, but I want it done for Christmas. I might not get it done for Christmas, but this could be my New York one. I can't remember what their event is. I think it's anything New York. If I find out, I will link it in the description below. I will find out and link it in the description below. Now, as I said, there are a few that you can choose from. I think there's a San Francisco one. I think there might be like an Italy scene as well. I'm not sure. But gosh, I'm almost tempted to kit this up and get it going. So very, very tempted. Who's had one of these before, or who's doing one, or who's seen them, and have you ever been curious as to what they're like? I mean, I don't want to take the plastic off because it's protecting the front, and I wonder, the only thing I'm curious about is if that plastic, oh no, so hang on, I'm glad that I took the plunge. Is there I'm just trying to see, because that's dry, which means I'm wondering if there is another, how do I, See, this is the beauty of watching someone else do something like this, because you learn, how does this actually come off? I'm a little bit. Okay, well that's sticky. That's sticky there, and I've just ripped a bit of the plastic up like that. I'm guessing that, so it's double wrapped for your protection. It's double wrapped, guys. It is double. So you've got the outer plastic cover, and then there's another plastic cover there on top. So you can work with that how you like. I would not suggest, unless you've got one of those, I keep forgetting the name of it. The cutters that go through, that won't cut your canvas. I would be very careful and just slowly peel that back. But I certainly wouldn't be using a ruler and sectioning with a knife like that. What do you think? What do you think? Should I kit it up as another whip? Oh, that ring light is playing nasty buggers. Did we go through? We did. We went and had a look. You can see it is quite clear. The symbols are very clear. You should not have an issue. And the symbols are very, very big indeed, which is good, because, you know, I wear my goggle eyes and I don't want to be struggling doing something like this. And the symbol choices and like the letters and the numbers that you see, the way that they've charted it is actually really, really good. You're not going to get anything confused. I can't see anything. Oh, those lights are killing me. I love this concept. I love this concept. And I can't wait to do the tree. Cannot wait to do the tree and see what that's like, all illuminated up. There's the thumbnail again. Now I need to keep all these together. I'm going to put one here with the diamonds, like so, because I'm going to keep these separate so that I can lay this flat back in the box. Well, I suppose I could put it all back in the box. That's not an issue. I'll put one in there and one in here. However, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you've gotten to the end, let me know all the things. Have you seen these before? Have you been curious to know what they're like? Oh, measurements. Where's my tape measure gone? Where are you? Here we go. I almost jibbed you in a bit of information. Oi. All right, so measurement wise, it's 50 by 40 exactly. And if my memory serves me correctly, that's exactly what it's advertised at, is a 50 by 40. So it is true to size. It is a true to size 50 by 40. Gracie. 50 by 40 drilling field. So that's awesome. Something really nice to give as a gift. Okay. Either already done up, because you've got the LED light thing happening. So this would be a nice gift to give somebody. Or you can do it for yourself to decorate your home, or you can give it to someone for them to decorate. Okay. So all the things, all the options are there. With that being said, if you've gotten to the end, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you getting to the very end, because we've been bothered by this ring light. I would love a big O somewhere. Leave a big O or a big light or something in the comments down below. Wherever you are, look after yourselves, guys. Look after each other. Have each other's backs. Until my next video, I am going to send you much love. A thumbs up to you if you've gotten this far. I would love one in return. Look after yourselves, and until next time, ciao for now.